Masters Rules of Spoken English through Rehan Honor Channel. Rule number 33. Word stress. Please remember, in rule number 31, we have seen stress. That stress is given upon a particular syllable of a word. For example, collect. We emphasize lek, collect. But this word stress is given to have a clear meaning of the sentence. For example, he bought oranges. Here, stress is given on the word he. The subject is stressed. It means he only bought oranges, nobody else. He bought oranges. Now, if you give stress upon the verbal, he bought oranges, it means he bought oranges, he did not sell oranges. Bought, the word bought, the verb is stressed. Then he bought oranges. When the stress is given upon the object oranges, it means he bought only oranges but no other fruit. So I once again repeat it. He bought oranges. He bought oranges. He bought oranges. Likewise, see here, I helped her. It means there were so many people, nobody came to help her, but I helped her. So the emphasis, the stress is on the subject I. Then I helped her. It means I did not disturb her. I did not cheat her, but I helped her. So the stress is given on the verb helped. Here, I helped her. When the stress is given upon the object her, it means I helped only her. I helped nobody else. I helped only her. So, in the stress, we can understand which is the important part of the sentence. Here, she came yesterday. She, it means only she came, nobody else. She came yesterday. It means she did not go yesterday, but she came yesterday. Then she came yesterday. It means she did not come today or any other day, but she came yesterday. She came yesterday. She came yesterday. She came yesterday. Some more examples. Raju gave the pen. If we stress Raju, it means only Raju gave the pen, nobody else gave the pen. Raju gave the pen. If you give stress upon gave, it means Raju gave the pen, but he did not take the pen. He did not get the pen, he gave. Raju gave the pen. It means Raju gave only the pen, nothing else. Therefore, Raju gave the pen. Raju gave the pen. Raju gave the pen. It will clear the emphasis on either subject or verbal or the object. Let's see one more example. You open the door. It means nobody else opened the door, only you opened the door. You opened the door. It means you did not close the door, but you opened the door. Here, you opened the door. It means you have opened only the door, not the window. You opened door. So it gives emphasis on the object door. Therefore, in pronouncing the word, we must be careful to which word the stress is given to have a clear understanding.